Okay, so I started the car to check the 6 plugs that I changed on the right side of the engine, and it ran fine. So now I'm going for these, and all I've done is I've removed the coil pack screws, and so what you want to do is this squeezes, and then you need to, basically it's like this, stick one finger against it and use 2 fingers to loosen it. Ugh. This one's really on there for some reason. Oh, come on. So this sucker doesn't want to come off. I may not even mess with this. I may just leave it connected and just pop the coil wires so that it just isn't in the way. See, this is probably the toughest one to get to, is this back right side. Now what I wanted to document though is on this side of the engine, on the left side, the top wire goes with the cylinder on the left, the back wire goes the one on the right. So let's see if I can get this thing out of here. See, I don't even know if I can get behind that sucker. Oh, I did get it. That's a toughie. This one, there we go. All right, so there it is. And I don't, as they say, I don't really want to tempt fate trying to get this off. It seems really anchored on there, and I'm just not going to mess with it. So there's that. I'm going to crack each spark plug loose one at a time before I remove it, blow it out, put in the new spark plug, put it on, and that way there's no dirt that can get in there.